guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be another hair install. This wig is by Rpgshow wig and it comes literally like this. It comes with the bangs and it also comes colored. So I'm just going to show you how I install it. It is probably one of my easiest. All I did was just revamp the curls, but it did come styled already, and I just cut the lace. The lace is HD and it's a 200% density. I honestly would wish and hope that they do increase their densities, though that's pretty much all you get in for the wig. But I would love something more fuller, you know, so hopefully maybe as time goes on they will increase their density and add a bit more of a fuller wig. This is 20 inches. Really nice for autumn, winter, nice color, just adds a nice frame to the face. I love these bangs. I love that they were already cut, so I didn't have to do this. But I'm just going to show you how I get this look, so keep on watching. Just going to place the wig on top of my head. The wig came like already styled, so obviously I have to brush it out a little bit. And there's a middle part, but it's not in the center, so I need to change that. I'm going to cut the lace and then just lay the frontal. The lace is HD lace, so it's so much easier to lay flat and it's just very seamless. So this is the hairline. I could probably tweeze it a little bit more, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Using the Ebin Wonder, the red spray, the lace bond spray. I'm gonna have to redraw my middle part because it's kind of shifted, but I'm gonna set this, use my elastic band. Okay, let us take this off. Ooh. I'm just gonna, this is the hair, I'm just gonna give it a quick curl because it is a little flat. So, it looks like this. Love it. I love these bangs. I wish I could cut them myself. Like, I love how cool they are. They already come styled, so like, you don't have to stress. I'll put all the information in the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.